Today we're going to take a look at an interesting piece of history that I got from Arlington Lock in a box. You can tell it's just a tiny little thing. This is the key, and you can see it's called the Keyhole Guard, made in Providence, Rhode Island. If I get the light to reflect, just absolutely tiny there. On the other side, you can see the name of the company, E.E. Shepherdson, and this lock was patented. Again, if I get the camera to focus, on March 9th, 1869, and manufactured June, I think that's 27th, 1895. So back in the day, people had locks like this. So everybody's walking around with a huge jumble of keys like this in their pocket, getting in their houses, getting in their rooms. I mean, that's how it worked. So this was state of the art, and they didn't want these to be picked. And back then, everybody knew how to pick these kind of locks, not like today, for sure. So to prevent these from being picked, I guess this E.B. Shepherdson company came up with this as their solution. Pin tumblers had been invented fairly recently, so you can see it's got a little wing there that folds in and out. So let's line them up, and it would slide it into the keyhole. So keyhole guard, get it? Turn it so the flag's sticking out, and now nobody can pick that. Back then, as I said, this was state-of-the-art, so pin tumblers weren't really fully understood. Guys weren't prepared to pick these. They were ready to pick this guy. So, had to do it. So, you can tell, even today, this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. I mean, it's just a tiny keyway. It's only 4 pins, but I'm going to try it with, this is a broken, used to be a Mad Bob's 0.8 millimeter, but the end of it broke off. But the one tip of it is still on, and it's the smallest tensioner that I own. So that would be bottom of the keyway. So I'm going to put him right there and try to hold him with my thumb and find a tiny, tiny pick. Probably, this is about as fine a tip as I have. So let's try it. All right, so if it will fit. Back then they needed micro tools. This may be too big. Okay, there's one. There's two. There's three, and looks like we got our keyhole guard out. Now, I'm not going to be able to pick this ASA 9000. I've been trying, but at least we got access to it. Anyway, guys, there you go, the keyhole guard from Arlington Lock. Just a really interesting piece of history. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal.